Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to talking something about this a Logitech Bluetooth keyboard, that how you can pair this if it's giving you pin error or it's not you not able to find this device, and many more problems you can face. Many time it happens with us. We just purchase product and it just starts giving us errors and we not find any solutions for them. Now how you can pair, what you can do, and what is the solutions for that all, what we have to do. First of all, just check out that batteries are installed into this device. As you can see, batteries should be installed and should be perfectly in working. How you can check that it's perfectly working or not? You have to just toggle between them. If it's showing red over here, that means it's switched off, and it starts showing you green and green light, that means it started working. This green light blow for a few seconds only. Now your device is on or not. What we have to do, we have to just press it for once and it starts showing that it's on or not. Now what we have to do, if we are connecting this device on mobile phone, then we have to choose the number, sorry, if we are to try to set up this connect this device with the laptop, then you have laptop or computer, you have to choose number 1. If you are using on number on mobile phone or tablet, then choose 2, and for any other devices press 3. I mean choose 3. For laptop 1, mobile and Android devices 2, and that is for Apple. And for Apple work almost on 1 and 3 most very perfectly. Now what we have to do, we have to just after choosing that, you have to just press it for few seconds until it starts blinking. That means it's blinking like this, then it's ready to perfectly pair with the device whichever you are using. Now all these problems are solved. Now main problem is that it's pin incorrect problem, and what we can solve and how we can solve. If it's giving you again and again, if giving you incorrect pin, then what we have to do, we have to just think about it, that we have to when it's our device shows the pin, we have to fastly type that pin correctly and press the enter button. It will connect definitely. But if it's not connecting, then what we have to do, we have to just switch it off from over here. As you can see over here, a button backside this, and then again switch it on again like this. And after that, try to connect this device very fastly. You will easily able to connect this device with your device. First main thing is that you have to type the code very fast, whichever showing on your device, and press enter as much fast as you can do. Hope you understand that how you can solve this problem. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more video like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.